To install the Wiibuilder software on your computer, go to the shared Google folder, a link to which I included in a recent email to you, and also the link is available on the class Brightspace page. So you'll look in the shared software folder, and you'll see that there are two subfolders, one for Windows and one for Mac. I'm using a Mac, so I'll go into that folder. And the file that I need is the Wiibuilder Mac OS 2.2.1. That's the installer for the software, so I'll double click and click download. I will click download anyway, and you can see the file has downloaded. When I look at my downloads folder, I can see the Wiibuilder Mac OS 2.2.1.0 DMG. I'll double click this file, and it says to drag the icon to the applications folder, so I'll do that. And I hear a chime that tells me that it is done. So I can close that window, and I can look in my applications and scroll down, and there is Wiibuilder. Now if I double click to open the program, I get a message saying that it cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. So I'm going to click cancel here, and now I'm going to hold down the control key on my keyboard and click Wiibuilder again and choose open. This time it gives me a third option. In addition to move to trash and cancel, I can choose to open, and I'll do that. And there's the Wiibuilder program. Now if I quit Wiibuilder and I double click on Wiibuilder in applications, and it opens it again without asking for permission. So once you open the program once and give it permission, then you won't have to do that again. If you run into any problems downloading and installing the software onto your computer, contact IT support at KVCC. You can find their contact information by going to kvcc.me.edu, click the magnifying glass icon, and do a search for IT support. Hit enter, and the first link is to the IT support desk. If you click that link, you'll see that there's a telephone number that you can call, an email address that you can write to, and also it tells you where on campus they're located. If you have a laptop, it would be most helpful if you could come in person so that they can see what your machine looks like and help you install the software. And if you have an old computer or you have only a Chromebook, we do have laptop computers that we can loan to you for the duration of the class that has the software installed on it.